for different recipes. And it's great because it's basically gluten-free. It's gluten-free. It has Hey guys, Aaron here, lover of all things good. So welcome back to my channel. And as usual, I'm doing something fun to catch you today. And like no other, I'm actually going to be doing a grocery haul today. And this is a major, massive haul. I was in the streets, climbing through the aisles, trying to find the right items for my new keto diet. So this is a keto grocery haul. So I'm excited about this keto diet. I've had some friends have some really great successes on this diet. I'm gonna be doing a pretty clean, healthy keto diet. Everything that's basically whole ingredients, no crazy, weird stuff going on. You do have your cheat days, of course, sometimes and stuff, but I'm gonna try to basically keep it really clean. Basically, if you don't know, keto basically is the science of high fat, moderate protein, and low carb diet. The ratios and macros kind of vary a little bit, but I have some apps and some education that I'm gonna be arming myself with that I'll be infusing into my videos moving forward. But basically all my recipes coming forward from this point on will be really primarily focused on keto. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, let me know. DM me on Instagram, or please, please, please leave a comment below. I went to Costco today, and I also went to Gonzales Northgate Market, which is like a local kind of like Hispanic Latin American grocery store here in LA. It's a chain, but they actually have one in Culver City, which I actually live not too far away from. So I went to that one. It's on the west side, so it's really easy to get to. Super good. A lot of really great fresh produce. I actually started going there originally to get plantains because it's kind of hard to find plantains sometimes in quantity that are actually really ripe and good quality. So the Hispanic grocery store actually had a lot of those readily available. So I'm gonna be using no plantain for my keto, but this is basically a keto grocery haul. So basically I'm gonna start with my groceries that I got from the fruits from Costco. So I'll just bring these over. So I got some organic blueberries. These are blueberries there. Got some blueberries. And then I also got some Driscoll blackberries. This is basically about, let me see the weight on this. This is about 18 ounces. So this is about 1.1 pounds of fresh blueberries. And then I also got some, I had some raspberries. So see our raspberries here. And then I also got some strawberries. So I got strawberries, about 2 pounds of strawberries. And you actually can have berries on the keto diet in moderation, of course, but they're quite low in sugar content. And I think of all the fruit, I believe the strawberries are the lowest sugar content. But I actually love strawberries, so it's actually great for me. So have those. And then I'm gonna actually show you what I also got. I got some unsalted butter. Actually, butter is a huge component of keto. If you didn't know, now you know. So I got the butter there too. And then I also got some this is frozen Atlantic salmon asparagus. I got this is about 2.25, 2¼ pound bag of asparagus from Costco. I also got some turmeric chicken bone broth. So bone broth is supposed to be really, really good. See that right there? This is from Nona Lim. And I was told that this is actually good to use to kind of start off because it helps you actually get into ketosis more quickly. So we can talk more about that in our upcoming recipes and videos, but please ask me a question in the comments if you have questions. All right, so got the bone broth there. Set that right there. And then I'm gonna show you, I actually got this. I got some almond flours. This is almond flour. This is the Kirkland Signature brand of almond flour. This is about a 3 pound bag. So I'm gonna be using that a lot for different recipes. So put that right there. I got some avocado oil from Costco as well. See that avocado oil right there? This is the Chosen Foods brand. It's 100% avocado oil. So a high heat cooking oil up to 500 degrees. And this is cold pressed and naturally refined. Yes. All right, so I also got some cheese. I'm gonna cut up for snack time. So some cheese here. And then I also got about 24 eggs. These are cage-free eggs. It's got those there. I'll put those up here. And then I also got some Italian dry salami. So this is really good for snack time with that cheese as well. And then I got some bacon, which I'm gonna be using in the mornings. I also bought some pork belly. This is from Costco. This is a bunch of pork belly, which I'll be using quite a bit. You know, I love a new recipe or two. So, and I also got some ribeyes. This is about ribeyes. It's actually 3 pounds ribeyes, and it was basically about $10.99 a pound. I also got some green onions, of course, zucchini. I got a bunch of chives, and then I got a ton of avocados. So a ton of avocados there. I got some ground beef. This is a little bit of a higher, fattier content of ground beef. So I just asked for that, and it was available at the butcher. And then of course I got some onions. Onions here, you see that onion? Onions too, so I got some lemons here. Put that right there. And then I also got some bell peppers, which I'll just kind of stack up this way like this right here so you can see it. Find a little place for it. A bell pepper there. And then there's some more garlic. So that's gonna be kind of our little bit of our, oh, it stands. Look at that, it stands. All right, so we have this is basically our grocery haul for my keto diet. It's a lot of food for just me, but please believe I will eat this and cook it too, as I'm not about wasting anything. So got our proteins, our fats, got some bone broth, some avocado oil, some avocados, some fresh veggies too. I'm gonna probably go buy like Whole Foods or whatever, pick up some arugula as well. I love arugula, so I'm gonna get that. And I'll probably buy some more lamb too. But it's just kind of a start to kind of get myself kind of kicked off into it. I kind of throw away all my sugar, stuff like that too. I had a nasty addiction to ginger ale. All right guys, but thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe and turn notifications. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below.